Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to create our first app in Android Studio. So let's start. We have to click on Start a new Android Studio project. Then we have to select our template. Project template will be the empty activity for this tutorial. Press Next, and then we have to provide our application name. Application name could be anything related to your app, but I will provide test app. And then we have to provide the package name, but I will let it the default name because the package name could be your website URL or anything that must be unique. And then we have to provide a project location where the project is going to be saved, so we can edit it simply by pressing this, but I will let the default path. And then select your language. We will continue with Java. Select the minimum SDK. So selecting the minimum SDK, click finish. Let the project to be continue, and this is simply the tip. You can view the tip, next step, previous step, but I will close it, and our project is ready to edit. We have two classes. One is mainActivity.xml and mainActivity.java. And XML, we have simply OInterface UI, mean the design class. So we can edit it from the code, from the drop down. Here we can simply drag and drop anything like button, etc. For this tutorial, I will let the default one. So simply click the run button. Wait for the project. Now our app is running. Let me show you our app is run successfully. On the app bar we have our app name, test app, and the center we have our text view, which is containing the text hello world. Thank you for watching. To subscribe.